plasterboard has two different sides, and it does matter which one faces out. Here's the difference and how to get it right. Standard plasterboard has an ivory or cream coloured face and a grey back. The ivory side is the finishing face. It's smoother, has a thinner paper surface, and is designed to take plaster, skim and paint. The grey side is the back, rougher paper, not designed to be finished or decorated. Always fix plasterboard with the ivory face pointing into the room. The paper on the ivory face bonds between the finishing plaster. If you skim over the grey side, the plaster can key differently, dry unevenly, and is most likely to crack or delaminate over time. It's also harder to get a smooth finish on rougher surfaces. It's a small thing to get right during fixing that saves a lot of problems at the finishing stage.